Aviation software is revolutionizing the way we fly. Imagine a world where flight planning is seamless, thanks to advanced algorithms that optimize routes for fuel efficiency and time savings. With tools like electronic flight bags, pilots have access to real-time weather data, navigation charts, and performance calculations right at their fingertips. Maintenance tracking software ensures that aircraft are always in top condition, minimizing downtime and enhancing safety. And let's not forget about air traffic management systems, which use sophisticated simulations to manage the ever-increasing air traffic, reducing delays and improving overall efficiency. Data analytics plays a crucial role too, helping airlines predict passenger demand and adjust schedules accordingly. The future of aviation is not just about flying. It's about leveraging technology to create a safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly industry. The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Please visit sample report copy from description box for more information. Also, like, share, and subscribe this video for more interesting research.